Jai Jagannath, friends, this is Vasudh Panda. Welcome to Master of English. So, with the request of the students, ଆମେ ଗତକାଲି ଜୁଲୋଜିର ଗୋଟେ ସେଟ୍ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କରିଥିଲେ MCQ ଆସନ୍ତା ବୋର୍ଡ ପରୀକ୍ଷା +2 ବୋର୍ଡ ଏକ୍ଜାମ 2024 ପାଇଁ। ଆଜି ବେଲେ ବୋଟନି ବାୟୋଲୋଜିର ବୋଟନିର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସେଟ୍ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କରିବା। ପାଖାପାଖି 17ଟି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଅଛି MCQ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଆସନ୍ତା ବୋର୍ଡ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି କହୁଛି 2024 ବୋର୍ଡ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ପାଇଁ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଆନ୍ସର ଅଛି ଆଉ ତମମାନେ ବି ଯୋଉ ଆନ୍ସର କହିବ ତା ଆନ୍ସର ଯୋଉମାନେ ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖେ 4 ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ସମୟ ମିଳିବ ଆଣ୍ଡ ୱିଦିନ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ 4 ସେକେଣ୍ଡ you have to answer. ସେ 4 ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଭିତରେ ତମକୁ ଆନ୍ସର ଦେବାର ଅଛି ବୋଲି ଓକେ ସୋ ସିଧା ଆଉ ଡେରି କରିବା ନାହିଁ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଜଏନ୍ କରୁଛେ ଆମେ ଫଟାଫଟ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟାକୁ ସେୟାର କରିଦେବା ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଯାହାଫଳରେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଜଏନ୍ ହେଇପାରିବେ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ପହଞ୍ଚି ପାରିବ ସିଧା ଦେଖିବା ବୋଟନି ର ପାର୍ଟ 1 ସେଟ୍ 1 ରେ କଣ କଣ MCQ ଆମ ପାଇଁ ଅଛି ବୋଲି ତ ପ୍ରଥମ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ହେଉଛି repressure protein is produced by repressure protein is produced by option A regulator gene, option B operator gene, C structural gene, D promoter gene. These are the 4 options. प्रश्नटी थिला repressure protein is produced by option A regular gene, B operator gene, C structural gene, D promoter gene. So ठीक उत्तर हो पिले yes repressure protein is produced by regulator gene. Option A होची ठीक उत्तर option A the right answer. Question number 2 2 number प्रश्न देखिए 2 number प्रश्न होची out of 64 codons only 61 codes for the 20 different amino acids. These characters of genetic code is called dash. प्रश्नटी आउथरे कहि दोछि out of 64 codons only 61 codes for the 20 different amino acids. This character of genetic code is called dash. Option A degeneracy, option B non-ambiguous nature, option C redundancy, option D overlapping. परवर्ती प्रश्न पिले ठीक उत्तर कौन हम पिले सो प्रश्न उत्तर एवं कही दौर आउ थे प्रश्नटी है आउट ऑफ 64 codons only 61 codons for the 20 different amino acids. This character of genetic code is called option A degeneracy, option B non-ambiguous nature, C redundancy, D overlapping. चारोटी ऑप्शन आम पाखे अच्छी ठीक उत्तर कौन ठीक उत्तर होची इट इज ऑप्शन A degeneracy. ऑप्शन A degeneracy the right answer. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिए what is the scientific name of the plant with which Mendel worked? What is the scientific name of the plant with which Mendel worked? Option A Onothera lamarcicana, option B Onothera mendeliana, C Phycem sativum, option D Oryza sativa. এই চারটি অপশন আছে আম পাখে what is the scientific name of the plant with which Mendel worked? এটা ଥିଲା ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଠିକ ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି it is Phycem sativum, PISUM SATIVUM. ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଦେଖିବା next question is the processor of transmission of characters from generation to generation. कौन बिले प्रश्नटी है the processor of transmission of character from generation to generation is कौन कहा जाए? Option A variation, B segregation, option C migration, D heredity. Which is the right answer? प्रश्न आउथर कहबी प्रश्नटी है the process of transmission of characters from generation to generation. ठीक उत्तर होचे बिले this is called वंशानुक्रमिक हम जाको hereditary नहीं hereditary the right answer. Next question externally observable character of an organism is called Jai Sri Ram Jai Sri Ram Jai Sri Ram Aditya. So externally observable character of an organism is called option A phenotype, option B genotype, option C recessive, option D dominant. ठीक उत्तर कौन पिले प्रश्नटी थिला externally observable character of an organism is called option A phenotype, option B genotype, option C recessive, Option D, dominant. Which is the correct answer? The correct answer is it is option A, phenotype. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखा. Next question होची allogamy, allogamy is best favored by. Allogamy is best favored by option A, dichogamy option B, decliny option C, cleistogamy option D, homogamy. Which is the right answer? प्रश्नटी थिला allogamy is best favored by. Option A, dichogamy. B होची तमरा decliny option C, cleistogamy option D, homogamy. ठीक उत्तर कौन बोले? ठीक उत्तर होची allogamy is best favored by dichogamy. Option A. Option A होची बोले ठीक उत्तर. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिबा. परवर्ती प्रश्न होची which one of the following has filiform apparatus? Which one of the following has filiform apparatus? Options are option A, anther cell, B, pollen grain, C, cyanogens, option D, spores. Option गुड़िक आउ थे कही. Option A होची anther cell, B, pollen grain, C, synergids, D, spores. Which is the right answer? Question thila which one of the following has filiform apparatus? The right answer is synergids has the filiform apparatus. Synergid होची ठीक उत्तर ऑप्शन सी पिले. परवर्ती प्रश्न ट्रू फ्रूट इज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम. ट्रू फ्रूट इज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम डैश. ऑप्शन ए peduncle, option B, ovary, option C, thalamus, option D, peduncles. प्रश्नटी थिला true fruit is formed from. Option A, peduncle, option B, ovary, option C, thalamus, option D, peduncles. कोटा ठीक उत्तर. ठीक उत्तर होची true fruit is formed from ovary. Ovary option B, ovary होची बिले ठीक उत्तर. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिबा. परवर्ती प्रश्नटी होची red data books are prepared by. Red data books, nature conservation regarding गोटे प्रश्न. Red data books are prepared by. Option A, IUCN, option B, WWF, option C, IBWL, option D, none of the above. ठीक उत्तर होची red data books are prepared by IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. IUCN होची red data books prepared करथुवा से organization. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिबा बिले. परवर्ती प्रश्न होची length of mRNA. Length of mRNA that carries information for complete polypeptide synthesis is. Option D कौन? Length of mRNA that carries information for complete polypeptide synthesis is. Option A, mutant, B, codon, C, operon, D, cristin. Which is the right answer? प्रश्न दिला length of mRNA that carries information for complete polypeptide synthesis is mutant, codon, operon, cristin. The right answer would be it is cristin. Sorry, cistron, not cristin. It is cistron, CISTRON. Option D, the right answer. Next question. Greater the BOD of sewage water. Greater the BOD of sewage water, its polluting ability is dash. Greater the BOD of sewage water, its polluting ability is dash. Option A, lower, B, higher, option C, not effective, not effective, option D, none of the above. प्रश्न दिला greater the BOD of sewage water, its polluting ability is dash, lower, higher, not effective, none of the above. Good evening. So ठीक उत्तर होची it is option C, not effective. परवर्ती प्रश्न Ladybird, beetle and dragonflies are useful to get rid of dash. ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ କ'ଣ ପିଲେ? Ladybird, beetle and dragonflies are useful to get rid of dash. Option A, butterfly, caterpillar. B, aphids. C, mosquitoes. D, both. B and C. ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଟି ଥିଲା ladybird, beetle and dragonflies are useful to get rid of dash. Option A, butterfly, caterpillar. Option B, aphids. Option C, mosquitoes. Option D, both. B and C. Which is the right answer? The right answer is yes, it is both. B and C, means aphids and mosquitoes. Next question. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिबा बेले परवर्ती प्रश्न होछ wine and beer are produced. Wine and beer are produced. Option A, without distillation. Option B, with distillation. Option C, by distillation of fermented broth. Option D, from ethanol. Wine and beer are produced how? Option A, without distillation. B, with distillation. C, by distillation. Then D, from ethanol. The right answer is wine and beer are produced without distillation. Without distillation is the correct answer. Next question. The keystone species in an ecosystem are those which? The keystone species in an ecosystem are those which? Option A, are present in large number. Option B, are most frequent. C, attain a large biomass. And option D, contribute to ecosystem properties. प्रश्नटी थिला the keystone species in an ecosystem are those which? Option A, are present in large number. B, are most frequent. C, attain a large biomass. Option D, contribute to ecosystem properties. Which is the right answer? It is option D. The keystone species in an ecosystem are those which contribute to ecosystem properties. Option D, the right answer. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिबा क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. The sphere of living matter together with water, air and soil on the earth is called. प्रश्नटी the sphere of living matter together with water, air and soil on the earth is called. Option A, atmosphere. B, hydrosphere. C, lithosphere. D, biosphere. The sphere of living matter together with water, air and soil on the earth is called biosphere. Option D होची ठीक उत्तर. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिबा बेले plants with irreversible and genetically fixed adaptation are known as. परवर्ती प्रश्न plants with irreversible and genetically fixed adaptation are known as. Option A, ecotypes. B, ecotons. C, ecophens. Option D, ecological equivalents. प्रश्न दिला plants with irreversible and genetically fixed adaptation are known as. Option A, ecotypes. Option B, ecotons. Option C, ecophens. Option D, ecological equivalents. गोपाल जी जय श्री राम जय श्री राम जय जय श्री राम. The ठीक उत्तर होची पहले plants with irreversible genetically fixed adaptation are known as ecotypes. Option A, the right answer. Last question of this session, this class. Hotspots of biodiversity are area. Umakant, Jai Sri Ram. So hotspots of biodiversity are area. Option A, where maximum number of fauna is found. Option B, where maximum number of flora is found. Option C, where maximum diversity is found. And option D, where maximum natural resources is found. So प्रश्न दिला hotspot of biodiversity are area. Option A, where maximum number of fauna is found. B, where maximum number of flora is found. Option C, where maximum diversity is found. Option D, where maximum natural resources is found. Which is the right answer? The right answer will be where maximum diversity is found. Where maximum diversity is found. It is option C. So एथि सहित आजिर ए बायोलॉजी बोटनी रो एमसीक्यू सेक्शन समाप्त होउची देखा हबो पुनी परवर्ती क्लास 7:15 बेले आर्ट्स पिलांकर आउट चैप्टर नै कि सी यू देयर स्टेज मास्टर इंग्लिश जय जगन्नाथ।